In today's world, there are three basic models for managing brand collaborations. The first is to outsource the brand to a one-stop shop. The second is outsourcing it to a brand agency. And third is to steward the brand internally with an integrated marketing team. Now, all three of these models are forward-thinking responses to the brand being a network activity instead of just a static problem. Let's go ahead and break down these three models. The first model, the one-stop shop, has its roots deep in the early 20th century when companies routinely co-signed large portions of their communication to a single firm, which was typically an ad agency. The agency conducted research and worked to develop a marketing strategy and marketing campaigns. The agency also kept a close eye on the results of those campaigns. Now, the main benefit of this relationship was the efficiency due to one person within the client company working directly with representatives from the ad agency to keep the brand effort on track. Now, after the social media boom, brands have grown more complex, and so has the one-stop shop agency. Today, they're either a single multidisciplinary firm or a holding company that collects groups of specialty firms to provide many services to their clients. The second model, which is the brand agency, is a variation of the one-stop shop concept. With this model, the client works with a lead agency such as a design firm or a PR firm who will assemble a team of specialty firms to help them work on all the brand details. The brand agency leads the project and pays the other firms as subcontractors. The advantage of this model is their ability to unify a message across all media and the freedom to work with the best of the breed specialist. However, the drawback is the stewardship of the brand still resides more with the brand agency than with the client company, meaning turnover within the brand agency can potentially harm the brand in the long run. Last, the third model is the integrated marketing team. Now, this team bears little resemblance to the traditional outsourcing model. It sees branding as a continuous network activity that needs to be controlled from within the client company. In this model, best-of-breed specialist firms are selected to work alongside the internal marketing people on a virtual super team, which is then coached by the client company's design manager. The benefit of this model allows brand knowledge to occur within the client company instead of vanishing through a ever-revolving door of agency or brand agencies. A drawback of this model is that it requires a strong internal team to communicate with the network within and outside the client company. Of course, while these three types of collaboration seem pretty straightforward on paper, they're a lot messier in practice. Companies are mixing and matching aspects of all three models as they move their way to a new collaborative paradigm. Hollywood is a great example of leveraging many resources of partners and companies.